Good morning, class. Today I am continuing your exercise 7.2, question number 5. Find the ratio in which the line segment A 1, 5 and B minus 4, 5 is divided by the x-axis. Also find the coordinates of the point of division. Means the 2 points A and B are given and the x-axis divides it, and you have to find the value of that coordinates, right? So let the required ratio be k comma 1. By applying this section formula in between the points A and B, we have minus 1 comma 5, x comma 0, minus 4 comma 5. P is the point of the x-axis, right? So by doing so, we are applying the formula here, that is kx2 plus x1 upon k plus 1 for the value of x, and for the value of y we have ky2 plus y1 upon k plus 1, means 4k plus 1 upon k plus 1 comma minus 5k minus 5 upon k plus 1 is equals to x comma 0. We are comparing this. So we have 5k minus 5 upon k plus 1 is equals to 0. K plus 1 is multiplied with 0. So the value here is 5k minus 5 is equals to 0. 5k is equals to 5 and k is equals to 1. So the ratio is 1:1. By putting the value of k in equation 1, we have minus 4k into 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1, that is minus 3/2 comma 0. So the coordinates of point P is minus 3/2 comma 0. Next, question number 6. Question number 6 says, if 1, 2, 4, y, x, 6 and 3, 5 are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order, find x, y. These are the vertices of parallelogram. So I am showing all the coordinates in the parallelogram figure. We know that the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. So O is the midpoint of AB and BC diagonal, AC and BD diagonal. Right. Now, when the diagonal AC is considered, here the midpoint is O, right? So the coordinate for this point O will be x plus 1/2 and 6 plus 2/2. Suppose we are taking BD coordinate, BD points with the point O, or if we are taking the value of diagonal BD, right? If we are taking the value of the diagonal BD and taking the point O, so its value will be 4 plus 3/2 and 5 plus y/2, because these are the midpoints of diagonal AC and BD, right? So by doing so, we know that O is the midpoint of AC and BD both. It means x plus 1/2 is equals to 4 plus 3/2 and 5 plus y/2 is equals to 6 plus 2 upon 2. Both the terms are equal. By solving this, we get x is equals to 6 and y is equals to 3. So these are the points or the coordinates of point O, right? Next, question number 7. Question number 7 says, find the coordinates of point A where AB is the diameter of a circle whose center is 2, minus 3 and B is 1, 4. The value is given here and you have to find the value of A, right? Let O be the center of the circle and O is called the midpoint of AB. So the coordinate of O will be x plus 1/2, y plus 4/2 is equals to 2, minus 3. By comparing these values, we get the value of x and y. X is equals to 3 and y is equals to minus 10. So the coordinates of A will be 3, minus 10, right? Do question number 8 and 9 as they are simple. If there is any doubt, ask me. I am explaining question number 10. Find the area of the rhombus if its vertices are 3, 0, 4, 5, minus 1, 4 and minus 2, minus 1 taken in order, right? Okay. 4 coordinates are given as shown in the figure. These are the points of the rhombus. Now, here what you have to do, you have to find the value of the diagonal AC and BD. I am applying the distance formula here, right? Applying the distance formula, AC is equals to under root 3 plus 1 square plus 0 minus 4 square, that is 4 root 2. For the value of BD, we have 4 plus 2 square plus 5 plus 1 square, that is 6 root 2. For the area of the rhombus, its formula will be half of D1 into D2, that is diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. Putting all the values, 1 by 2 into 4 root 2 into 6 root 2, that is 1 by 2 into 24 into 2. So the answer is 24 square units is the area of the rhombus. Complete your exercise. We will move further in the next class. If there is any doubt in this video, ask me. Thank you, class.